Hey parents, yesterday I sent home this book with your child. This is their Number Corner math book, which we'll be using when we get to a synchronous live lesson starting maybe next week if we can get it going. And then I also sent home, this is the daily math packet that they need to do a couple pages in. This came home with your child yesterday if you are in the Monday, Tuesday cohort. So this is the packet to do the 2 pages of math, the 2 days of math. It's pretty simple. On the front, on the inside, it just has day 1, day 2, so they need to do 2 days. Then the next day of their online learning, they'll do page 3 and 4, 3 and 4, and then there's 5 and 6 on the next one. So just 2 days, just some basic math skills, practicing their math, getting them ready as we move forward. It's mainly review stuff from first grade, a little bit of new learning, but that is what you're looking for those packets that came home. There was also a newsletter that I had them stick in their backpack. So I hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.